Welcome to Component Supply. Let me show you what we do. Component Supply put in its own straightening operation to control our wire raw material to keep our lead times as short as possible. Centerless grinding is an important capability, whether it's used for stocking our online store or for meeting customer-specific requirements. While we've always had manual processes for fabricating tubing and wire, we also have automated equipment for taper profiles and tip grinding. In order to bridge the gap between prototypes and mid-size production, we also have ECG burr-free cutting. We still do a lot of manual work here at Component Supply to meet customers' demands for prototypes. This includes manual cutting, informing, coating removal, and bending. We also have laser welding capabilities here for assemblies and welded needles. People ask us what we do here at Component Supply, and we try to keep it really simple. We supply components, but they're not just components. All the capabilities that we just saw, we use those every day to produce quality components so you can change the world.